Thank you for choosing MyHealthChecked. This video will explain how to take a rapid test for thyroid. Before you start, please read the instructions, including the precautions listed in the leaflet. Ensure the test cassette pouch is at room temperature before opening it. Check you have all components listed on the packaging and ensure you have a clean work surface to lay out your test kit. Taking your blood sample. Wash your hands with warm soapy water and leave the hand you wish to collect blood from in warm water for 2 to 3 minutes. Open the foil pouch and remove the cassette. Carefully pull off and dispose the cap of the lancet. Use the provided alcohol pad to clean the fingertip of the middle or ring finger at the puncture site. Position the safety lancet on the side of the selected finger. Press the lancet on the side from where the cap was extracted against the fingertip. Wipe away the first drop with a clean tissue. Pick up your blood dropper and without squeezing it, place it in contact with the blood. The blood will migrate into the dropper. Try and avoid letting air bubbles into the dropper. You must not squeeze the bulb. Instead, fill the dropper to the indicated line. If you need to obtain more blood to reach the fill line, gently massage your palm toward your finger. Once you have successfully filled your dropper, align it with the specimen well marked S on the cassette and squeeze to release all of the blood. Unscrew the cap of the buffer bottle and add 2 drops of buffer into the sample well of the cassette. Wait 10 minutes for the coloured lines to appear and read your results. Do not interpret the results after 20 minutes.